Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I recently uploaded a video where I tried onion juice for the first time. I'll link the video above and below in the description box for you to check out. And in this video, I'll be trying onion oil as a pre-poo to determine which method I prefer. So if you're interested in seeing the process and in hearing my thoughts, just keep on watching. The base of onion oil is onion juice, of course, so I cut up and juiced a red onion. To mask the onion smell, I added a few drops of tea tree oil and the Miele Organics rosemary mint oil. And I used coconut oil as my carrier oil. I discussed the benefits of using onion juice in the previous video, and I'll briefly touch on the benefits of onion oil here as well. Sulfur in onion oil helps to protect hair from breakage, split ends, and thinning. In addition, frequent application of onion oil encourages hair growth and guards against bacterial infections and dandruff, and onion oil could also help prevent premature graying. I rinsed the onion oil out after about 30 minutes and proceeded with my full wash day routine. As far as my thoughts, now that I've tried both onion juice and onion oil, I prefer the onion oil. Application is a lot less messy and my hair felt more moisturized after rinsing out the onion oil, and I'm pretty sure adding the carrier oil had a lot to do with the moisturizing component. Although I'm not sure which is more effective, I will personally be moving forward with the onion oil in hopes of helping to maximize my hair growth. So that's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you've tried onion juice or onion oil below and which you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.